Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're trying to open a game like Real Cricket 24 or any other app and suddenly see the message, "Get this app from Play Store," even though it's already installed, don't panic. You're not alone, and more importantly, this fix works. This frustrating glitch is surprisingly common, but the good news is there's a quick and proven solution that doesn't require clearing all your data or reinstalling your entire phone. Whether the app was sideloaded or installed straight from Play Store, this method works in most cases. So stay with me, because in just a moment, you'll have your app running again without any errors. First, open the app that's showing the error. For this example, I'll be using the Messenger app, but the same method applies to any app showing the "Get this app from Play Store" prompt. Now, once you're inside the app and see the error, don't close it yet. Here's what to do. Go to the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type the name of the app, Messenger in this case. If you see an update button, tap it, but immediately cancel the update. Yes, I know that sounds strange, but this quick tap and cancel trick forces the system to revalidate the app, and for many users, that's all it takes to fix the problem. But what if there's no update option showing? Here's the second method. Uninstall the app completely from your device. Then head back to the Google Play Store, search for the same app, and reinstall it. This ensures you have the latest official version installed, and more often than not, it solves the issue for good. And that's it. Your app should now open smoothly without any annoying messages or interruptions. Let me know in the comments which app was causing this error for you. Did this trick work? If it did, go ahead and smash the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss another fast and easy fix like this. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment below if you have any questions, and let me know what topics you'd like me to cover next. Hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this.